And now we present you the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, known as the best folding Samsung phone on the market in 2023. A simple visual inspection is enough to realize that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is part of Samsung Ultra premium range. Alongside the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Xiaomi Ultra series and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The build quality is magnificent and exudes a feeling of ruggedness when held in the hand. The hinge that opens the large screen requires some force to unfold it, which is appreciated due to this sense of fragility that the folding screen gives. The Z Fold 4 is a 6.2-inch external screen is fully app operational when closed thanks to its narrow 23.1-inch format. Unlike the Z Flip series, which makes the Z Fold 4 stand out, is this 7.6-inch screen inside comparable to that of a mini tablet with an almost square format, measuring 13 cm by 15.5 high. What was also liked from last year's model was the most invisible magnet that connects the two halves of the screen and splits on the flap, which protect against dust and dirt. The Z Fold 4's display panels are one of the Samsung's strengths, and the folding format of the phone allows the South Korean company to show off. The 6.2-inch external screen AMOLED panel has a high refresh rate of 120Hz, allowing the image to look particularly fluid. Moreover, the internal screen is technically impressive with an AMOLED panel, 120Hz SDR10 Plus certification, and a surprising level of toughness. The flexible glass is its folding managed to stop it from feeling like a prototype when in use. The Z Fold 4 batteries has a capacity of 4400 mAh, allowing the phone to be used for a full day without turning it off. Its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip ensures good performance not only when using demanding applications but also when multitasking. The device also supports 5G and the latest internal technologies, UFS 3.1 for storage and up to 1 Terabyte of space in its most powerful version, along with 12 GB of RAM. Watching videos in series is a pleasure. With its stereo sound and Dolby Atmos quality, Samsung used a stereo and sound system with output at both ends of the terminal, which achieves a voluminous sound that is much better perceived. Camera-wise, the Z Fold 4 has the top features of the Galaxy S22 series with the 3 versatile and reliable lenses, including telephoto lens that can handle up to 10 magnification really well and can go up to 30 times, although not recommended. The selfie camera under the internal screen is also impressive. Good stuff.